Okay guys, I have my okra here. I'm going to cook okra. This is how I look after my okra. Alright, phone is giving me problem. It's not recording, guys. All of my videos are just wasting. Alright, so I'm going to put these. So let's just see. Okay, and my water is over there boiling. This is my church. So I'm going to put these together. Phone is not recording at all. It's giving me a problem. I don't know what is wrong, but I go along. Let's see. So I'm going to get these washed. This is my salt. I'm going to put a little salt in my pot, which is there boiling, not much. And over here is my churro and my okra. You can see it? It's boiling. Let's shut off again. I'm going to put a little salt in it, not much, just a little. See? Just a little. Then I put a piece of scallion in it, and this is my rice I wash, not much. That's it, and that's it. So I have my churro and my okra and my rice. My chicken already been cooked. As I say, I thought it was recording, but it was not. Something goes wrong with the phone, so I'm just trying to sort it out. Okay. My viewers and my subscribers, this is what it is looking. This is how it is looking this morning. That's why we're not at work, because there's hardly any buses on the road, so they have to close our workplace. So I'm just showing you, this is my back porch. Okay, this is my back porch. All snow. You can see this is all what it is looking at like this morning. Today the 13th of February. February always be very cold. Okay, you can see the snow falling from the trees. These are the trees that is around our houses. Okay, all right, so watch the process. Continue. See the outside is scraping. The outside here, you can see the passing there. Okay, you can see very rarely any vehicles out here, but they are trying to go through. Okay then, so you have a blessed day, my subscribers and my viewers. This is Canada. You're looking at Canada over here. You can see those trees over there. Alright, it's very cool now. I have to close the door. Guys, you can see my rice pot there. And this is my churro and okra. Okay, with my rice pot. Okay, guys, my phone is giving me a problem. It's not recording. So I tried to record this morning, cooking up my chicken, cutting up the chicken, season it up, but it did not record. So, and it has been cooked, and I thought it did, but it did not. So all of those, you're not going to see them. I'm just showing you how I'm cooking the rice now, because I thought I record them, but it was not showing any recording, and I did not know. Anyway, sorry about that, guys. And as I say, I cooked turmeric chicken in water with coconut milk. So I'm going to show it to you another time how I cook it. So I'm just cooking the rice now. Alright, love you guys. Love you, my subscribers. Bless up yourself. Love you. And remember to put God first in everything. I'm almost there. I'm almost going to finish cooking, so I show you as I go. rice, guys. This is it. You can see. Let me shift my pot over here that you can see properly. This is my chocho cooking. Okay. So watch the process as I go. I'm almost there. Almost finished. Alright. Guys, you can see this is my finished pot now. Okay. This is my chocho and my some. And this is very good. No starch or less starch. And this is my rice pot over here. And my viewers and my subscribers, this is my turmeric chicken. Turmeric chicken with coconut juice. Okay? Turmeric chicken. Can you see my subscribers and my viewers? My phone was not working. Can you let me show you? My phone was not working. It was not videoing and I did not realize it was not. So I'm going to have to cook this over again. Alright. Turmeric chicken in the water. No oil. I just put the turmeric in the water, boiling a little water in the pot bottom, boiling, and I then put my chicken in it. Alright. So I'm going to show you how I do my turmeric chicken in boiling water. Okay, and my rice is finished over here, and my chocho and my stuff is finished over here. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for viewing my channel. All right, and the snow is on the outside. You don't want to see how outside is just white, all white. All right, God bless you and thank you for subscribing to my channel again. Tell a friend to tell another friend that I'm cooking over on my channel. Alright, or any little adventures on the outside, I can show it to you. Alright, bless up yourself every time. Love you guys, love you. If you can come over for some of my turmeric chicken in coconut milk and water, no oil. Alright, bless up yourself every time. Bye bye, love you guys.